Okay. So I've just realized that when you're doing all your own self-care at home, I have a Korean sheet mask on right now, which feels fabulous. It's going to help all my little baby wrinkles. I'm also trying to do an at-home pedicure, which, you know, not a full pedicure, just like some of the basics. You can't lean down for extended periods of time when you're wearing a sheet mask because it falls off. So my killing two birds with one stone is not helping as of right this minute, but I can sip on this delicious little Crick and Marker margarita. Normally I don't drink with a straw. However, I've been whitening my teeth. This whole thing is ridiculous. I can't even explain. But all of these little like self-care things that I've been focusing on trying to refresh for this week, because I have a big filming project and you know, I just want to show up for myself the best way that I can. It made me realize that I'm really not doing any of the things that make me feel good as a like human woman person who enjoys taking care of herself like that. I'm just shoving it in last minute, trying to scramble and just kind of make it happen all at once, which makes it even more stressful trying to take care of it. So it doesn't even make sense why I'm doing it like this. But it does show me that I need to just give myself a little more TLC all the time. So that's what I'm going to start doing, because this is a hot mess. So, all right, guys. Talk to you later.